Does your inbox look full of old messages you never read? Maybe newsletters, ads, or class updates from months ago? When your inbox gets crowded, it can be hard to find what matters. Here are 2 easy steps to keep it clean and organized. Step 1. Select the emails you don't need. Open your email account and look at your inbox. Go through your messages and click the small box beside each email you want to remove. If you see a group of old ones, you can even select several at once. Remember, deleting an email means it will move to the trash or bin folder for a short time before disappearing completely. Step 2. Delete or archive. If you are sure you no longer need the messages, click Delete to remove them. But if you just want to hide them without losing them forever, click Archive instead. Archived emails stay safely stored, and you can still search for them later if needed. Most email apps, like Gmail or Outlook, have both options. That's it. Just 2 easy steps. Select, then delete or archive. Try cleaning your inbox once a week. You'll find it easier to spot new messages and your email will feel much tidier. Found this interesting? Follow Appsolute Kids for more simple and fun explanations about the technology around you.